The world is looking for new disposal options for treating contaminated plastics and e-waste. The current method of using dangerous chemicals such as hydrochloric acid is not sustainable, nor is just simply dumping it and then burning it in third world countries, causing illness due to carcinogenic fumes. The new energy world is driven by lithium batteries, which is impacting electric vehicles and other new decentralized power storage and electronics. We are living in the first generation of these products and now face a new challenge: the end-of-life disposal of these spent batteries and e-waste. According to the United Nations, 20 to 50 million metric tons of e-waste are discarded every year. In the US alone, 142,000 computers and over 416,000 mobile devices are recycled or dumped every day. China has recently announced that it will no longer accept plastic waste from other countries, so the world will continue to dump millions of tons of plastics a year into our oceans. Global operator MER Group Limited has designed the world's first commercial-scale metals recovery and plastics-to-fuel systems. This option has high energy recovery values and is more environmentally attractive than landfill and incineration. MER Group's treatment of mixed and contaminated plastic wastes and waste oils has been designed to produce transport quality, low sulfur diesel, kerosene, white spirits and syngas for conversion into energy. The fuels produced are used in standby energy production, industrial, commercial, agricultural, transport on water and road, and construction environments, and has a wide variety of uses, from heating to fueling machinery and farming equipment. MER Group's metals recovery and plastics to diesel systems are also capable of extracting gold, rare earths and other precious metals from recycling old and unused mobile phones and printed circuit boards. The EPA in America states that for every 1 million mobile phones recycled, the following metals can be recovered: 35,274 pounds of copper, 772 pounds of silver, 75 pounds of gold, and 33 pounds of palladium. Processing e-waste can recover rare and precious metals including copper, tin, aluminium and iron. E-waste includes mobile phones, lithium batteries, obsolete or broken computers, televisions, printers, photocopiers and household white goods. Recycling circuit boards can be more valuable than mining for ore. According to the EPA in America, 1 metric ton of circuit boards can contain 40 to 800 times the amount of gold and 30 to 40 times the amount of copper mined from 1 metric ton of ore. A pre-treatment process will allow lithium and cobalt salts to be recovered from spent lithium batteries before the converter process. The lithium and cobalt metals in the battery will be recovered in the pyrolysis process.
A major advantage of the waste technologies process is its ability to handle unsorted, unwashed, used plastics. Even heavily contaminated mulch film can be processed without difficulty.
In fact, most plastics can be processed directly, even if contaminated with dirt, aluminium laminates and other laminates, printing inks or oil residue.
Waste technologies utilise a pyrolysis process for converting waste plastics into liquid fuels. It has a major advantage of reduced coking, thereby allowing the process to run continuously. Pyrolysis has been validated as an efficient means of converting waste plastics into fuels by a recent Aachen University report from Germany.
MER Group Limited is an Australian unlisted public company established in 2005. Its first commercial plant is expected to be constructed at the Deeside site located in an enterprise zone in North Wales, where negotiations are currently underway. The plant can run continuously and will process more than 6,000 tonnes of feedstock and produce 5.2 million litres of fuel per year. Importantly, there are no toxic emissions produced from the process. The plastic to diesel converter is scalable via a multi-modular design. Independent financial modelling analysis conducted by a UK energy and environment consulting group have concluded that the payback period on a converter is only 1 year, with a mobile phone to waste plastics mix of 20%.
WasteTech's plastic to diesel converter is currently the world's most advanced technology for processing contaminated mixed oils and waste plastics into distillates. Plastic to diesel fuel can be blended with traditional fuels or used on its own. Its distillates can be used in industry, as marine fuels, in diesel generators, and even sold into the grid for standby energy generation.
MER Group Limited holds patents for its technology worldwide. There are global government incentives available to companies converting and recycling waste plastics to diesel with new technologies that can produce fuels with a low sulphur rating. Interest for systems has come globally from waste management companies, landfill operators, plastic packaging companies, alternative fuel providers, and energy companies. Letters of intent and expression of interest have been executed with UK companies for the supply of e-waste and waste plastics. Offtake interest for the fuels and metals recovered by the MER process have been executed with major oil companies and metal refiners in the UK. Our business model aims to own, operate, and franchise our metals and energy recovery systems around the world, entering into strategic partnership with global brands where it's beneficial to do so. MER Group Limited offers a novel and unique technology, diverting the global menace of contaminated plastics and e-waste from landfill and putting it back into the global energy market.